If the Earth was the size of our sun, would humanity populate it by today? Of course, there are many alleged limitations with such a huge planet. For example, oceans or mountains that cannot be crossed, but such restrictions would not be taken into account. We assume that the conditions of movement on the sun-sized Earth are similar to our planet. So, according to scientists, our ancestor Homo erectus appeared about 2 million years ago and spread throughout parts of Africa. His descendant Homo sapiens later migrated from Africa to the rest of the world. The last territories that were colonized by the primitive people are the islands of Polynesia, inhabited approximately from 700 to 1000 years BC. For the initial period of settlement of the planet takes about 2 million years, they said. The surface area of the Earth is about 510.1 million square kilometers. We will not take into account the polar regions. They are particularly not populated. The habitable area, including the sea, is 400 million square kilometers. That is a human spreading at a speed of, doing the math, 200 square kilometers on average over the past 2 million years. The surface area of the sun is 6 trillion square kilometers. That's 12,000 times more than the surface of our Earth. Thus, intuitively, the settlement will take 12,000 times more time, or 24 billion years, which is almost twice the age of the universe. But the use of the average value is not entirely fair. In reality, species coverage will grow exponentially, compound interest that is, to move from the population of 1% to the surface to 100%. The occupied area should increase by about a quarter every 100,000 years. We apply this calculation, given that the surface area of the sun is 1,200,000% of the surface area of our Earth. Our species would spread over the surface of the sun-sized Earth between about 4 million to 4,100,000 years AD. Now, even if the area of our planet was 12,000 times larger, it would take only 3 times longer to populate it. Of course, this simplified model does not take into account the invention of ships, planes, cars, which significantly accelerate the process of populating a surface as big as the sun. And this is on House and Wise by Vicky Verma. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support. Support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.